In today's video, we will be looking at the KLF 200 Integra interface. Shown here in blue and white is the output wiring harness as well as two other input wiring harnesses. One is a group of 3 and the other, shown here already connected to the interface, is a group of 2 for a total of 5 potential groups. We will be using the KLI 311 remote shown here, which controls the skylight as indicated with the arrows simulating ventilation on the upper left corner of the remote. Also, we have a KLI 312 which will operate the VELUX blind as indicated by the symbol in the upper left corner as well. Also provided will be 2 sets of instructions, a set of instructions labeled A and a set labeled B. For today's setup, and with any initial setup, you will want to use the A instructions exclusively. You will also need a paper clip that can be used as a probe to pair the products with your KLF interface. Let's get started. Today, we will be setting up one VSS solar skylight shown in the right hand of your screen, as well as 2 solar-powered blinds, which are both connected to our KLI 312 to be input into a single group on the KLF interface. Our first step will be to plug the interface into the power supply. At this point, you will want to verify that you have a yellow flashing diode on the front of the interface. You should also have the input wiring harness already connected at this point. In this next step, we will be using the KLI 311 to pair your skylight to the interface. Along the bottom edge of the remote, you will find 2 small pinholes. One has a symbol resembling a gear wheel and the other resembling 2 interlocking squares. For this exercise, we will be using the pinhole located over the gear wheel. You will give this pinhole a 1-second press using the paper clip, which will then activate your skylight. Once your skylight begins to move, we will then go to the interface and use the reset button located along the back of the interface for a 1-second push as well. Verify that you are pressing the reset button and not the security key button. At this point, you should get a slow flashing green light illuminated in the diode on the front of the interface. Now it is time to short circuit the first set of red and black wires with a quick touch, and the product should begin to respond. The first set of red and black wires will be the up function for group 1. The second set of red and black wires will be the down function for group 1, as indicated in the next slide. Short-circuiting the second set of red and black will cause the product to go down. For the next step, we will be using the KLI 312. As mentioned previously, we have 2 pre-programmed blinds to this particular remote, and we'll be adding these 2 blinds to the next group. We will be repeating the same procedure we used on group 1. Once again, you have your gear wheel and your interlocking squares, and we will be using the pinhole located over the gear wheel for a 1-second push, and the product should begin to cycle. We will now press the reset button located on the interface for a quick press, and we should get a light emitting diode flashing rapidly white. Now we can short circuit the first set of wires for our group 2. The diode will turn green and flash slowly, which indicates our products have been successfully paired. We can test this by short-circuiting the wires once again, and we should get a rapid flashing white light on the front of the interface, and the products should begin to respond. Once again, for group 2, the first set of red and black wires will be your up command, and the second set of red and black wires on group 2 will be your down command. The product should respond accordingly. The solid white light located on the front of the interface indicates the product is in its ready state, and if we short circuit the first set of red and black wires on group 1, our skylight should begin to open. That was the up command for group 1. Now if we short circuit the second set of red and black wires on group 1, the skylight should begin to close. Once again, we should have the solid white light on the front of the interface, which indicates we are in a ready state. And if we short circuit the first set of red and black wires on group 2, our blinds should begin to go up. Now, if we short circuit the second set of red and black wires on group 2, our blinds should begin to go down.